Houston, thank you for that suggestion. The cabin is darkened again, and that makes a big difference for the imagery. And for science, we are now seeing a half moon.
Well, that's what we eat. Now, another very important part of the spacecraft is the navigation station, or the optics panel. And we just met a Bill wants to say something.
That's good, but not quite as good as good old California orange juice.
Bill's from Florida. Okay, now if you well, let me have the camera, Jim, and I'll show the people where you do most of your work. Okay, Bill.
Window 2 talked about Vavilov, looked for suspended dust, and the Terminator. And window 3 about the experience and about the three-dimensionality of the moon this close.
Down in this area, it's called the LEB, or the Lower Equipment Bay, and we have our optics positioning equipment right here. We do all our navigation down here by sighting on stars and on the horizons of either the moon or the Earth. And this is where we find out exactly where we are in space, what direction and how fast we're traveling. And our computer, as Frank had mentioned, then takes the information and tells us how to maneuver to get home safely.
That are almost parallel going off southwest from Oriental Basin. They are the first things that made me notice parallax of our trajectory looking out at Oriental. That and in the inner walls of the east side of the crater rings, you really get a sense that we're flying over something with elevation and terrain, and they look different from this orientation.
Well, that's about all we have for today. Each and every one of us wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. And I guess we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll be landing early Friday morning. Merry Christmas from Apollo 8.
Now, Roger, Merry Christmas from the ground, Apollo 8, and thank you very much for the guided tour. We really enjoyed it.